Hi, this is Dalene with McDonald Sewing and Vacuum, and I wanted to show you the new tool that we just got in. It's a 1-inch Sasher by Pauline Rogers, and it will do the same thing that a bias binding tool will do. Our bias binding tools are on back order, and the factory was closed for a while. The warehouse was closed for a while, so we haven't received them, and I thought this might help for those of you that are making ties. So the first thing you want to do is cut your strip twice the width of the Sasher. So I cut a 2-inch strip, and then you want to press. I pressed in the two edges into the center on this one. You can do it that way, or just fold it in half, but this works better for this is how you do double fold bias binding. Anyway, you feed the end that you've pressed into the Sasher through there, and then through the other side to get started. And then you can just move this down the strip like you do the bias binder and press as you go. So here we go. Nice little tool. Presses things in. Sometimes you have to help it a little bit more, but it's still easier, I think, than doing the fold, pressing it, and pressing them in.